Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by using the Google account whose display name you want changed. Sign in because the Meet name pulls from your Google profile. Once signed in, open Meet. Google, come or join a scheduled meeting from Calendar. On mobile, open the Meet app. Make sure you're in the meeting lobby or have the Meet tab open. You'll need to access your profile settings next. This first step links your next edits to the correct account, so changes appear in real time during the call. Now change the name in your Google account because Meet displays that name. Go to your Google account settings, open Personal Info, then Name, and edit the first and last fields. Use initials or parenthetical notes for role indicators, since Meet shows the full profile name. This helps other participants recognize you. Once you save, refresh the Meet browser tab or rejoin the meeting. Meet reads profile data on join, so refreshing ensures your new name appears to others immediately. Finish by confirming the change inside the meeting. If you're on a managed Google Workspace account, changes might be blocked. Contact your admin because policies can enforce directory names. If your new name doesn't show, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or rejoin the meeting. Sometimes Meet caches the old profile. As a workaround, use Meeting quick settings or the chat to state your preferred display name when profile edits are restricted. This last step ensures others see the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.